At a busy construction site, workers assemble scaffolding high above the ground. Sunlight glints off the metal, reminding him of the heights. Amid the noise, the foreman stresses guardrail checks and safety compliance. With every bolt tightened and brace adjusted, the scaffolding grows more secure. The foreman gathers the team for inspection. "Remember," he says, his voice steady, "each component is not just a part. It's our lifeline up here." The workers nod in acknowledgement. They understand that their lives depend on their diligence and adherence to safety protocols. They continue their task with renewed focus. Every corner is secured. Every guardrail is firmly in place. This fosters an atmosphere of trust and responsibility. As the team works in unison, one worker approaches the foreman. He carries a base plate in his hands. "Are we sure these are level?" he asks, glancing around at the uneven ground. The foreman takes the plate and inspects it closely. He nods in approval. "Always verify that these are properly placed," he replies, his tone firm yet encouraging. "Base plates are the foundation of our safety today. If they sink, we risk everything." Together, they double-check the positioning. They ensure stability before moving on to the next phase of their project. With a critical eye, the foreman points to the workers adjusting the sole boards. He emphasizes their significance. "Sole boards help distribute weight just like base plates," he explains, gesturing toward a group of workers. "If they aren't level, we compromise the entire structure." The workers nod, their determination unwavering. They meticulously ensure each board sits securely. This attention to detail transforms the scaffolding from a mere assembly of parts into a robust and safe work platform. Each step is taken with caution, echoing the foreman's words on safety. They collaborate to create a platform that will safely support them as they reach new heights in their project. The workers diligently check the guardrail systems. They ensure the rails meet the height and strength standards outlined earlier. One of them raises his voice above the clanging tools. "Is the top rail set to 42 inches?" he asks. He receives quick nods in response. Their gestures affirm a shared commitment to safety. The foreman approaches, inspecting the placement of the rails. He offers a strong reminder, "Remember, this top rail will protect us from falls, so let's make sure it's secure." Adjustments are made. The crew takes a collective breath, knowing these precautions are crucial for their safety at height. With everything in place, the foreman steps back to assess their progress. A satisfied smile crosses his face as he watches them work with purpose and precision. "Great job checking those guardrails," the foreman praises. He gestures towards the workers reinforcing the mid-rails. "It's critical they're installed correctly," the foreman says. The workers nod, proud that even small details matter. With the scaffolding and guardrails complete, they pause to reflect on the importance of their work. Every piece, from base plates to sole boards, ensures their safety. They step back, admiring the sturdy structure, ready for the next phase of construction. In the next video we will discuss about scaffolding operations. Stay connected with us. Thank you.